So the legal director works in a slightly different way to everybody else in that what we want to do is we want to put in-house lawyers in businesses on a flexible basis. So you actually become a high-level legal consultant director working often at board level with your clients, but you've got the benefit of that in-house relationship.
Having come from a background of private practice and working in-house for many years, this was something that I decided I was going to make a lifestyle change and join the team that was then quite small to become part of the legal director.
One of the reasons I joined the TLD in 2015 was also because I was starting out my own business, and so the TLD was the perfect fit for me because the directors were very understanding, and they completely got the fact that I wanted to start my own business, and that really helped because in the last 5 years of my journey in my own business as well, I have learned certain things that no lawyer will be able to teach you. Only running a business and maintaining it yourself will teach you. And as a result, I find myself being a better lawyer, being more entrepreneurial as well.
The idea is that we really get to know the business and we partner with that team so that we really understand them and they understand and get the pragmatic legal advice that they're looking for, not the sort of more distant advice from another office. You're very much involved with going to clients' offices if they want us in situ, work remotely, whichever works for the client.
So I very much view my role not just as a lawyer, I view it as part of the commercial business, and I enjoy that aspect, and what the legal director gives me is the ability to do that, whereas in a private practice law firm you sit down and you do that piece of legal work. So it is much more, you feel much more entrepreneurial in terms of you have much more ability to tailor the job as you want to and help the business as you want to, rather than just, right, okay, I'm going to do this piece of work. So from that point of view, I think it works really well for me personally.
And the other big thing that is probably entrepreneurial about the legal director is the way that, when we give advice, literally we don't sit on the fence.
And because you know more about the business, you can sort of anticipate what they would like to do and how they would like it to be done. And that makes you a better lawyer because, when a question is raised about a particular issue, you can both provide the legal answer, but you also can look at the practicalities of that legal answer on that business. So that I think is really one of the beauties of what we can do at the TLD.
I very much feel part of the team. I feel invested in their business, and that's what gives me my job satisfaction, is that I want to be part of their business, I want to help them grow commercially, and I want to be part of their commercial decisions and then implement the legal background to those commercial decisions that they need to make and help them with it to help their business grow. And you just feel very much part of the team, which is what I love.
And, I have clients that WhatsApp me it's very modern for a lawyer to be on a WhatsApp group and things. So, it's great. It's constant communication and I can ping an answer back very quickly. I love being part of the leadership team and being involved in all the strategy, but it's also really good to have a bit more variety so that there's a couple of different clients in different areas of business, but with transferable skills that I've accumulated on the way.
And so in reality, it is doing, you do as much or as little work as you choose to do from whomever you choose to do. So, this is probably, it sounds too good to be true as a lawyer, but essentially that's what it is.
I was delighted with one client in the West End in London, because of course it meant suddenly I was up in the West End a couple of days a month, which was fantastic because it meant I could see all the shops and all the people and a bit of what I would call normality, having commuted for many years myself.
Joining the TLD has probably been one of the best decisions I've made in my legal professional career. It has changed the way I operate, not just within myself as a lawyer, but how I operate in relation to my clients.